Hi guys, good afternoon, 27th of October 2017, and let's look into market, what's happening there. And as I told you yesterday, Nifty looks very robust to me, very strong and solid. There is no way it has any issue about you know uh, about going up. I don't see that. I see it actually rather heading up beautifully, right? And a bit of clue I'm getting from the international markets also. Like for example, look into FTSE. This is how FTSE is up. Market has opened gap up. Then we have DAX. DAX is also beautifully up. Then we have CAC, which is also beautifully up. So the market space is also, all the entire market is also supporting Nifty, right? So Nifty looks in a very positive zone. Nikkei up, Hang Seng. Okay, it went up in the morning and then a little bit of profit booking has come in. So overall, if I have to say, about Nifty, it is doing pretty fine. There's no issue about it right now. It doesn't seem to be in a mood of, coming down. It is even crossed its previous high. Today, what high has Nifty made? Let's see. Let's go here and see here. It's made 10,366, right? Which is even higher than this its previous a high. So that means Nifty definitely looks is in a very positive mind frame, and I believe it should touch definitely 10,400 in the cash market, which is just about another 30-40 points up from here, right? So that is what I'm expecting Nifty, but let's see how it goes. It looks extremely solid to me. How many of you remember Ramkey? Ramkey I gave, and see the beautiful run up. I gave it at 99 rupees, exactly here when it was on a support, this place, and it has gone up good 73 points. And I remember very clearly this was only the day, which is 29th of September. I think you can go back and look into my Telegram channel. 29th of September I have given, and today is basically 27th of October, which is just about 1 month. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 trading sessions, and it has given a return of good 75%, right? This is how powerful one can believe with the correct technical setup. This is what I want to tell you. See here, beautiful run up, 73%, 75% return in just matter of 1 month. Where do you get such a return? Okay, then Dish TV, I told you yesterday, is on my radar. So yesterday it was somewhere here when I was making my video, and after that it's gone up good about 3 to 4 points, right? And then I had another stock on my radar, which is SAIL. I have it from the day before. I bought it at 62.5, and see the beautiful run up it has been just giving. Now, one stock that I want you to keep on your radar is this Star Cement. Like not only me, my entire webinar members have found this stock, and I would suggest don't be in a hurry to buy it. You have to look for the appropriate opportunity, right? You have to find a good opportunity where you can enter into this stock. All right. So those are the points I actually teach in my webinar: where to enter, where to exit, how to enter, how to exit, right? What should be your criteria for entering and exiting a particular stock. So since yesterday I told you I have Indigo on my radar. So today it's given a beautiful run up. And today, I saw a huge breakout coming in all the, these, what do you say, all these pharma stocks. Look into Cipla. This is Cipla. Then I had looked into all the stocks which are basically pharma stocks. They were doing wonderfully well, right? So whether it was that, or it is Cadila Healthcare, that also gave a good run up today. I actually, suggested yesterday only to, I discussed this and suggested to my members yesterday only this, Kedla Health. Then look into Lupin. Lupin has also gone up, right? This is how Lupin is doing today. Dr. Reddy is also going up today. All the stocks which are basically, you know, all the stocks which are basically pharma stocks are really doing well. There is a breakout that has come in all of them. Across the pharma sector, there is a buying that has come. All right. So, let's see. I want to show you Lupin. Here is Lupin. You know, Lupin looks to me on a good support. It really looks to me on a good support. So, what can be a possible scenario? You know, like see here, I will discuss this in a little bit more detail. So here it is. This RSI has taken a turn, has taken a support and gone up from here. Now it's at 45.75. Now suppose the next candle forms somewhere here in Lupin. It'll be a good opportunity for us to enter into Lupin, right? So the volumes, right now the red volume is up, green volume is down. We will have to wait. This has, RSI has taken support, MACD is not crossing over. So I will not enter till I find all the, you know, correct, you know, opportunities here. Okay, without saying all the power sectors, you know, PFC or whatever you talk about, power grid, PFC, all of them have done extremely well. I showed you know, we all had power grid call and we all really minted money. This gave us, we bought it somewhere here at this point, right here, 205, and it gave us a good return, right? So what I'm saying, just keep pharma sector on your radar. And today one stock which is really beautifully running up is ITC. Its results are due. The only thing that I feel here is that the upside is little limited. You know, there is a barrier over here. Just keep it on your radar. Look for the opportunity. And this is, you know, at this moment where we stand, it has a good possibility of going about 5 points up from here, right? But we don't know after that how much. All right. So there's a breakout which has also come in Sun TV. Today, Sun TV also had a breakout. So these were all the stocks on the breakout. So how do you really find these stocks on the breakout? How do you enter this moving wagon which is moving so very fast? Yesterday I had Cholamandalam Finance on my radar. So yesterday we bought Cholamandalam Finance. It has actually, wherever we bought, it's exactly at the same point. So hopefully this should give us some kind of a return, some kind of a good return. So my take for the next 3 months will be all these agro stocks, infrastructure stocks, pharma stocks. This is where I'm going to be little bullish. All agricultural stocks like JVL Agro for that matter. And Aries Agro is another stock that I really feel is very good, although it's gone up little above our expectations. It's gone up very up. Aries Agro. I would like to enter into this stock if I get the right opportunity. Let's see its one-day graph. So I'm waiting for it to give me a kind of support. Whenever I find it on the support, I will buy it. Not right now. It's a very good stock. So Aries Agro. So let's just go and see its fundamentals. What's happening over there? I haven't checked that, but along with you, let me just check Aries Agro. What's happening here? So Aries Agro stock P is pretty fine. All this is okay, and the high for the 52 weeks is 292. So it's somewhere okay, not bad. Now company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout, which is pretty good. Company has low interest coverage ratio, right? These are some cons, but let's see with respect to its peer companies, how has it been doing? It's doing reasonably okay, not bad. As far as market cap is concerned, not as compared to other companies, it doesn't have that good. But let's see what's happening into its sale. Sale has declined, right? Sale has declined. Let's see what's happening sale with respect to 10 years or 12 years. So it has grown, right? Operating margins have also grown. Fine, that's a positive point. Share capital has gone up. I want to see its borrowing. What's happening into borrowings? Borrowings have also gone up. which is not a good indication. And the second thing is cash from operating activity, so which is pretty decent, not bad, right? So this cash from operating activity, now see here, now we have to make up our mind. Do we want to invest for a long term, or do we want to invest only for a shorter duration, right? That is what we have to, make up our mind. And you know, and it depends upon the structure of the graph. How does the graph looks like? So if it's attractive, then only we will enter into it. On such kind of stock where all the parameters do not fulfill our criteria, we will enter for a short duration, right? We will just enjoy this run up and exit. Only companies with rock solid fundamentals, only we will enter for long duration, right? That is something you have to very, very clearly make up your mind with. So let's see again, before I close, of course, so you have to definitely check here. And also one thing that you can do is go to Money Control and check how is the investment by, some mutual funds into this company. So 𝐴𝐻, let's see what's happening here. So go here somewhere into the shareholding, and go into the see, this is the shareholding pattern, right? That means out of here, what is the promoter stake? 52%, that's fine. Financial institutions too, that's about it. There are no other. And let's see what's happening into the mutual funds. How are the mutual funds having any holding into it? So there is none, right? That is not a very good point. But the thing is, if mutual funds or the FIIs, DIIs don't hold large quantities here, means the stock has gone up fine, but it won't fall that quickly, right? That means some solid buying has come into it. So what you can really do is, I was telling you the other day that we need to look for the stocks in the breakout. So see here, when the price is not changing, this is the period called accumulation. The stock is getting accumulated for over a good period of about 6 months, 21st of March to here, starting from here, 15th of February till about, this point, which is 6th of October. It was, no, 5th of October, it was just consolidating. For so long, it was just consolidating in a narrow range, right? Now, the stock, you have to find out such stocks and look into the averages. Wherever you see a breakout coming in, you have to enter into those stocks. Fine. So let's see if there is something more in the stocks where I expect a breakout to come over, or what is it that I'm feeling, So I would say, right now one has to be very, very careful. Reason being, Nifty is again, heading up and up, although I don't see Nifty correcting soon, but any day or any moment it can correct also. That is how delicate it is right now. That is how vulnerable or unpredictable it is right now, right? So I don't want, to fall a trap. I'm standing out of the market. I will take a call on Monday. I'll see how the situation is, how are the geopolitical situation and everything. And as it is though, this is a time a lot of results are coming. So we will wait and watch. So the good breakout can be expected in ITC right now. Fine. So of course we did trading in Indigo, we did trade in DLF. Many members have booked the profit in DLF yesterday. As I told yesterday on YouTube also, that the DLF looks good to me. So another stock that you can definitely keep on your radar is HEG. Like just wait. This is also another monopoly stock, kind of monopoly stock, right? You have to put this in your radar. Anytime you get it on support, buy it. Anytime you get it on support, you can enter into this. All right. So what I'm saying again, guys, get ready for good learning in the market. See, again a breakout has come in sale right now when I'm talking to, as in when I'm talking to you, a breakout has again come into sale. So sale is really doing well. Steel Authority of India is really doing well. So what I'm saying now, if you want to trade in the market, you have to understand which stock is about to have a breakout. Where is it going to be? When should we enter into that stock? Now see, for example, when I say that, should you enter into Sagar Cement right now? So I will wait. I will wait. I know that Nifty is at the lifetime peak. So I know there will be some kind of profit booking, if not today, tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe next to next week it'll come. I know this is a good stock, so I'll hold it. I'll keep it on my radar. I will wait till this spike cools down. When it cools down, then I'm going to enter into it, not before that. Reason being, otherwise what will happen, I'll buy it at the peak and then I'll be trapped again. I have to wait for it to go up and then I'll be not able to exit. So we have to keep such stocks, you know. So one stock that I gave it to you is the Motilal Oswal. So just be a bit more careful because it's made a double top, right? Can you see the double top? So just be a little bit more careful because now there could be a fall that is coming in. If you have positions, maybe just be more careful about it. I can only suggest that much. Fine. So when you are in the stock market, one is that how do you rotate your money? How do you smartly rotate your money? That matters a lot. When to enter, when to exit, when to hold, when to not hold, all those points matter. You know, like for example, if this particular stock only I look into, we enter over here and we exit over here, then that'll be a foolish thing, right? We have to enter and remain entered till this point. But now double top has formed, the candles have formed here. It's foolishness again to remain invested into it. You know, like just continue, as I told you, convert it into Heiken-Ashi candles, remain invested. You can exit over here, right? At this red candle, you buy it 1160, exit at 1246, right? Or maybe the first red candle forms, you can exit over there. And combine it with MACD and RSI. So somewhere here you can exit 1176. Now, when should be our entry? Now you are free. You have free money for a couple of days or 3 days. Enter into some other stock. Now enter again at 1272 or maybe 1249. Whenever this green candle pierces 10 moving average and MACD RSI should definitely be above. If it is so, Vortex is also almost on the verge of having a crossover. You can enter into the stock. So 1249. Remain invested till this candle is formed. Now exit your trade. Remain exited till you see a green candle coming in, right? So be a little smart investor. You know, I would say that if you have 20,000 money, just rotate that money. Now this is 1 day of flips carbon, right? And now I can say that there is some kind of a breakout just on the is about to happen in the flips carbon. Any kind of a breakout. I'm not saying upward or downward. So many days it's been consolidating within a narrow range. Can you see this narrow range? Means some kind of breakout is about to come, right? So just keep it on your radar and watch. Probably something good you will be able to identify. If you are holding positions for long, maybe you get the opportunity to exit if it goes down, or if you are RSI is about to cross in the downward direction, maybe it will be a good opportunity to exit your trades. Or if it takes a upward turn, then maybe it's a good opportunity to long again. So here is the Bollinger Band. You know, so if there is a squeeze in the Bollinger Band, you can definitely look for opportunity to enter into it, right? Or exit from the trade, right? You can see what's happening here. There's a squeeze being applied. You know, like neither the stock is going to go up nor it's going to go down. Which direction the breakout may come, that we will get to know later. So be a smart investor, you know, like who knows when to remain here. Now a good option will be, if it is so long in the horizontal direction, you can exit also when it touches 10 moving average and wait for the breakout. That will come from, that confirmation will come from RSI and MACD. Whichever direction, if it goes down, then remain exited. But if it is in the upward direction, you see the RSI taking a turn or going above 40 or 60, you can actually enter into this trade as well. Fine. So this is how you can do the long-term investment. This is, smartly you can rotate your money. It doesn't matter 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, whatever money you have, remain invested, right? All this I'm going to teach you in my webinar, and I'm going to teach you everything that's connected with the stock market. So this is my yesterday's video. Yesterday I was talking about the comment that was there. Every person, like, I'm so fortunate, 2 members wrote me WhatsApp messages and so many comments here. So I would like to read a few, and I feel, why should I really bother about the negative comments? Even, if one person supports me, or people, support me and they learn from me, my job is done. I'm satisfied. I'm happy. So if those who don't want to learn, just it doesn't matter. But those who want to learn, even if I can help one person, that's enough for me. So here Sandeep Kumar says, I learned the basic from your channel. Never said thanks to you. So thanks a lot. Have to fine tune my strategies and need to learn some more things. Then Aditya says, this is for the 𝐻𝐾 𝐵 or whatever that gentleman's name was. I'm a group member. We discuss all our trades in the group created by ma'am. If your friend is not working according to what is taught, then you know very well whose fault is this. She does a lot of hard work in creating these videos for you people for free. Respect her and learn. So what Aditya said, I really said here, I really want to reiterate, if your friend has taken up my webinar by paying 30,000 rupees, and if he's still taking my calls, means that he has not learned, and I ask him to contact me. I'll ask him to repeat my webinar once again, or I'll ask him to go through my videos again. It means he's just wasted his 30,000 rupees if he's just taking my tips. He has to take responsibility of his money, because I'm teaching, I'm also giving calls. Yet I tell all my members that even if you take my calls, don't take it blindly. You have to analyze, because now you understand market. Then Ali Manik has written, Madam, you teach very well, thanks. Akhil Yadav says, okay, he wants to join the webinar, so of course we'll be sending him the information. Then here, Udyarka Pakala, thank you very much for the great video. This is the first time in my life I'm commenting on YouTube video. That much this video teaching and your analysis impressed me. Thank you once again, ma'am. Then Rabindranath Behra, he says that, ma'am, Mr. 𝐻𝐾 𝐵 has a keyboard with 26 alphabets, so he write anything in the comment box. But Mr. Sharma, never stop your channel. It's okay. It's okay. Like what I'm saying, I remember my 191 video, somebody has said, why would you like to short a trade which is going up? That's a brainful comment, like it's not that because of you want to write something, you've written something. So good means you're putting your brain in saying, in listening with what I'm saying. Then Sandeep says, Balakrishnan says, hi ma'am, thanks for all videos. It's far, far better than any other than YouTube channel. I'm interested in course. Could you let me know if possible to make 15,000 monthly by trading with a capital of 3 lakh? And also let me, so I would say 15,000 is a meager amount that you're talking about. I've seen people doubling, tripling their amount, but I wouldn't make you, lure with that. But of course, 20% definitely one can earn easily investing in the equities. Praveen Chandra Patel, I have been watching ma'am's video since last week and I got a lot of knowledge from it. She is great mentor and teacher. Then without joining your webinar, only watching your YouTube, I'm really happy to say that my portfolio is turning green. I really get confident when to buy and when to sell. Thanks a lot. Then, read everybody's comment. Do I need more assurance? Huh? So this is Murlidhara. He's written, sorry to comment like this. Running stock should not be sorted, right? Absolutely right. One should not short a running stock. Short only when all the parameters have been met, when you feel that it has ran whatever it needed to run, then only you will short it, and that to be when your technical parameter tells you yes, now you can go ahead. So really thank you a lot for all of you supporting me, And I feel very accomplished, when you people write like this, that you have learned. I've got so many WhatsApp messages. Somebody has written, I've told him to please send me a WhatsApp, instead of WhatsApp, send me this thing, a, a an email, so that I can read it out. I don't know how to get my WhatsApp on my desktop. So, and he's shown me he's not my webinar member, he is my YouTube follower, and he has sent me the screenshot of his trades. Almost every single trade that he has done is green. So I am telling you, I am so much honored and so much accomplished, so much content and happy that you all are learning. And I'm also promising you all that I'll do my best. I will do my best to bring out more newer strategies, newer ways to teach, right? So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting for everyone, those who want to learn more deeply, more, strongly. I'm there to teach you. One stock that is on my radar for shorting is definitely IDFC Bank. I'm waiting for the right opportunity, yet not. See, it's taking resistance. So once, twice, thrice, fourth time, if it goes below, I'm definitely looking for a shorting, but not today. Today I'm not doing anything. I'm going to take a call on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whenever, but not right now. And one stock which just had a breakout, I've been watching it just about for a couple of hours, is Motherson Sumi. Like, it looks to me heading up. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So with this, I'm signing off. We'll meet tomorrow again. No, we'll meet now on Monday. Good day. Enjoy. On weekends, do your research, find out stocks. And, I was very happy to see one of my members has found GM Breweries. And he has traded into it. And he's entered at about 400 or something. And he's exited. I think he's still not exited. So what I'm saying, that this is the power. Become independent. Become independent. Take money of responsibility of your money. You can see GM Breweries. This is the run up it gave today. Today's candle, if you see, it's a massive candle, and he's entered somewhere here. Huge, huge, huge momentum. Do trades like this, earn like this, as if you own the stock market. Each stock which you want will move. Each stock that you are not there will not move. That should be your authority on the market. I want you all to be like that. All right. So good day. Bye bye. See you and enjoy. And one more thing before I go on, somebody's calculated how much I earn. Is multiplied with the number of students, with the amount that I charge. But what I'm saying, a lot of expenses are there. Definitely, there is a software that I use and all the infrastructure and etc. But what I'm saying, it's just not this last few months that I'm into stock market. I'm in stock market for the past 20 years, and I've worked like you people, losing many times, gaining lesser times, and refining my technique every time, refining myself and doing my own reflection every time I did the wrong trade, that it should not be like this, it should be like this, it should not be like that. And it's a 15-20 years hard work. It's not just last few months that I've started earning money like this. It's my last few 20 years that I have invested into stock market. That is kind of giving me some income. Whatever you're calculating, it's much less than that, but definitely whatever it is due to my experience. So what I'm sharing with you is my experience of 20 years. It's just not these few videos that is responsible for that kind of outcome. So please, don't judge people by just looking into the money. Look into what kind of training I'm doing, look into what kind of teaching I'm doing, and look into what kind of value I'm creating in people's life. With this, I'll sign off, but I'm waiting for every single person who want to learn and who want to be in the stock market. Good day. Bye bye. See you on Monday.